isa na lang po. Oh, yes.
Okay! At yun na nga, unfreeze everyone, unfreeze everyone, unfreeze everyone. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok dito lang sa ating first ever episode ng season 3 ng mga Joggers this Christmas season. Mga kaibigan, susunod na po ang mga next programming ninyo. At of course, mamaya 9:30, may tulugan na po. Thank you very much for watching. This is mga Joggers. Goodbye.
Let's go. Goodbye and God bless. Bye.
This is Team Guided speaking.
Sabog.
Team Guided speaking. Mga Joggers is produced by Scotch Tip Productions and in association with Sandoval Media.
Salamat. Thank you. Mika Wave is real. Mika Wave is real. Mika Wave is real.
I know a place filled with the very best, where you can eat well and spend less.
Mika Wave pwedeng dun.
Mika Wave. Mika Wave. Mika Wave. Bye.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.